Hey Roblox fans, is your FPS unlocker not working? Don't worry, I'm here to help. I will show you some simple solutions to fix your Roblox FPS unlocker and get smooth gameplay. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is running the FPS unlocker as an administrator. Right click the FPS unlocker file and select Run as administrator. This ensures it has all the necessary permissions to work correctly. If that doesn't work, make sure you are using the latest version of the FPS Unlocker. Go to the official GitHub page where you downloaded it and check for updates. Download the latest version and replace the old file. Sometimes your antivirus might block the FPS unlocker. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and add that FPS unlocker to the whitelist or exceptions list in your antivirus settings. Make sure Roblox isn't forcing a low frame rate. Open Roblox, go to settings and check your graphics mode. Set it to manual and adjust the graphics quality slider as needed. If all else fails, restart your computer. This can resolve conflicts with background processes or system resources that might be affecting the FPS unlocker. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your FPS unlock. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.